आमचे guest of honor by Maria Ribello, GFA executive members Bob Francisco Nunes आणि Anthony Fernandez, आमचो Batora United president Bob Frankie Ribello, punch member James DeCosta आणि Glorio Ribello. आणि तुमकां सगळ्यांक एक बरी सांज आवडेला. दोन्ही टीम Sesa Academy and Livval Sports Club दोघांको congratulate करता for reaching the finals. May the best team win. Runners up out. All the best for the next time म्हणटा. हांव Batora United तांकां शाबासकी दिता for taking this initiative, for organizing a match for the women. Nowadays, women's soccer is not much played. I wouldn't say not recognized, but not much played. So Batora United has given a platform for the ladies, and I congratulate them for taking this initiative, and I urge them to have more matches and tournaments for the girls. As a ZP, माझा support तुमच्या बरोबर सदा आसतलो. And I wish them all the very best. And each and every girl who is out here who wants to enhance her career in sports, I wish them all the very best.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.